Have you ever wondered what would happen if every brand had to produce a documentary about their history and values? This is a question that sparks curiosity and leads us into the realm of storytelling, a powerful tool in brand marketing. Storytelling is not just an art, it's a conduit, a bridge between a brand and its audience. It's how brands convey their history, their values, their mission. It's how they breathe life into their identity, transforming from faceless corporations into entities with heart and soul. Consider the brands that have truly captivated you. More often than not, they've woven compelling narratives, stories that resonate, stories that make you feel a part of their journey. They've shared their triumphs, their struggles, their evolution, and in doing so, they've not just sold a product or a service, they've sold an experience, a connection. Storytelling is essential for brands, but what if we took it to the next level with documentaries? Imagine if every brand had to tell their story through a documentary. An intriguing thought, isn't it? This shift in storytelling could have a profound impact on the way we perceive and connect with brands. By diving deep into a brand's history, values, and evolution, a documentary can offer consumers a unique perspective and a greater understanding of what the brand stands for. Of course, this approach comes with its own set of challenges. For one, it demands a level of transparency that some brands may find uncomfortable. Everything is on display, the good, the bad, and the ugly. But therein lies the opportunity. It's a chance for brands to showcase their growth, their resilience, and the tangible impact they've made. In essence, documentaries offer a unique platform for brands to share their stories in a more engaging and immersive way. They provide a holistic view, a deeper connection, and an authentic understanding of a brand's journey. So what could this mean for the future of brand storytelling? Imagine a world where every brand story is told through a documentary. This would require a shift in marketing strategies, with a greater emphasis on transparency and authenticity. No more hiding behind glossy ads and catchy slogans. Brands would need to dig deep, unearth their roots, and present their journey, warts and all. Long-form content would become the norm. Consumers would be treated to a detailed, behind-the-scenes look at the brands they love. This could drastically influence consumer perception and behavior. Brands that tell genuine, compelling stories could command stronger loyalty and engagement. For marketers, this could mean a whole new ballgame. It's not just about selling a product or service anymore. It's about crafting a narrative that resonates with the audience, a story that they can connect with on a personal level. The potential for documentaries to transform brand storytelling is immense. So, let's recap what we've uncovered today. We delved into the fascinating realm of storytelling and its potent influence. It's a timeless art that has the power to shape perceptions and foster meaningful connections. Brands that master this art can create engaging narratives that resonate with their audience. We then explored the unique proposition of brand documentaries. These are not just films. They're immersive experiences that offer an intimate glance into a brand's history and values. Such transparency could potentially revolutionize consumer brand relationships, fostering trust and loyalty. We also looked at the promising future of brand storytelling. With the rise of new media and evolving consumer expectations, the canvas for brand narratives is expanding. Brands now have the opportunity to tell their stories in innovative and impactful ways. As marketers, it's exciting to think about the possibilities that lie ahead in brand storytelling. Could documentaries be the next big thing? Only time will tell.